Namaste. We are presenting the deliverable 4.2, which is about the initiative of the entrepreneurship in SCTI. Uh, we have initiated the following: the PBL, project-based learning, group work, active learning, learn and on, and industrial visit as the initiatives in SCTI. And the list of teachers involved in the initiative are Tezvirin Thapa, myself, Kamal Paudel, Milan Srestha, Ragna Srestha, and
myself, Ashwini Kumar Jha.
Yes, and have conducted the initiative in two courses: in Diploma in Agriculture, Animal Science, which is 3 years course in 6th semester, in two subjects: poultry entrepreneurship and animal housing and production, for 20 students, and another one in Diploma in Civil Engineering, which is same of 3 years course, 6th semester, and we have conducted in three subjects: surveying, building construction, and construction management, for the total student of 39. There are some initiatives which we are conducting, and there are also the list of possible initiatives which are in plan of the SCTI. For the conducted initiative, we have A02, visit to companies; A04, active learning methodologies; A06, activities developed by the students and group, the group involvement of students; and A08, project-based learning. Project-based learning specialized in learn and earn program. And the possible initiatives are which are under planning: A01, entrepreneurship talk; A03, visit to incubators and accelerators; A05, workshop for developing entrepreneurship knowledge and skill; A10, contest and competition; A11, hackathons; and A12, advertising entrepreneurship in classes. These visit companies activities will explained by Mr. Ashwin sir.
Hello everyone. So I would like to continue. So among the initiatives we have mentioned, first one is A02, visit to the companies. Based on the curriculum, students from different faculties visit their respective field related companies, government offices, project research centers, sites, and many more. We conduct different industrial visits, which are programmed for 3 days. Some of them are Dairy Development Corporation visit, which is situated in Makwanpur, Nepal; National Cattle Research Program, Chitwan; National Goat Research Program, Tanahu, Bandipur; National Livestock Breeding Center, Pokhara, Kaski. Such exploring the dairy industry, dairy products, animal rearing practices, learning various techniques, mechanical equipments, uses, feeding medications. These are the things students learn by visiting these industries. These are some of the photos. So this visit to Dairy Development Corporation, Etoda, Makwanpur; National Cattle Research Program, Chitwan; National Goat Research Program, Bandipur, Tanahu; National Livestock Breeding Center, Pokhara, Kaski.
These are the same topics, industrial visits for civil engineering students. We have conducted the visits to hydropower companies and cement industries for the civil engineering students for 3 days. They saw the live production process of hydropower companies. We have visited Marsangdi hydropower project in Tanong, Nepal, and Hetauda cement industry in Makwanpur, Nepal. Students are motivated by observing the technical and commercial mechanism of the projects by such visits. Another one is active learning methodologies. We have taken A04, another initiative to involve the students in the learning process. It is based on the WP2 of the NEWSTEP project concept. We have developed 6 hybrid courses including both civil and veterinary faculties. We have used the UVL cloud is a LMS system. I want to show the sample simple say platform of this UVL cloud. The course there are the courses for me. I want to show an example of engineering material for diploma in civil engineering. There are 10 chapters, and every chapters includes different quizzes, assignment, something else. There are many more contents for the student in the different phase. Like this is simple note for the student. In another one, there is PowerPoint slide. There is PDF note for the student, and there are other various link of the videos, and some there are photographs. There are another videos, class videos. These all are the content for the online courses. So we have conducted, we are using this LMS system for both civil engineering and animal science for the active learning for the students. Another one, for the same one, we have conducted the practical tasks to involve the students in the activities which is connected to the entrepreneurship. Like there are some photographs of brick laying. Students are involving in the construction of brick wall. And another is the group work presentation. They involved in the group work, and they prepare presentation and they perform the presentation in front of the whole class. They are also activities developed by students group. They will form various groups of students to conduct certain tasks. There is one for the civil engineering. It is the task of building construction model. The two students prepared a model of the building to know the uh, building construction process, and another one will be explained by Dr. Asim sir.
Yeah, and on the second picture we can see the charts prepared by students from diploma in animal science, agriculture, diploma in agriculture, animal science. The charts depicts various organs, reproductive organs, respiratory organs, and many more uh, that helps students to understand the basic concept, the anatomy, the physiology of the different systems that are present in animal body. Okay, so next one from the another course in diploma in agriculture, animal science. We have another subject of animal housing and production. In this subject, in this initiative, we teach students uh, how to make well uh, a suitable farm, a suitable area for production, animal production, that will help to enhance their well-being, that will help to uh, achieve the animal welfare with proper production, with ample amount of production, with sustainability of farm animals. Similarly, we can see we directed students to make um, such cow shed design, goat shed design, pig sty design, model of animal farm to enhance their concept about the real world scenario about animal housing and better production. Similarly, next project based learning, it is in the A08. So every year we perform various projects such as poultry farming, fish farming, pig farming, serving for civil students, etc. These projects help students to learn various entrepreneurship skills. We can see a small chart is there. We have conducted a survey among the students from both faculties, and we have put the chart in the presentation depicting the various areas in the entrepreneurship the students learn during the project activity. activities. We can see the financial management, time management, leadership, marketing, everything the students have voted, and we can see the graph. Next one, there's in diploma in agriculture animal science, there is another subject initiative, poultry entrepreneurship. In this course, it is solely based on learn and on concept. The students we have students are taught about the basics of poultry rearing. Uh, Theoretically and in practical scenario, we conduct a poultry rearing program in which the students are categorized into different groups, and they are given task of poultry rearing in a proper schedule, where total of 600 or 500 broiler poultry are reared for about 45 days till until they are marketed. This project helps students to understand basics of poultry rearing. They get to learn about the feeding management, water management, vaccination schedule, medicines, and many more basic concepts of poultry rearing. And from this project, the students get a total share of 75% of total earned profit from this project. We can see some of the students is vaccinating the poultry chick, and in the second picture, um, brooding of the chicks. Okay, and another one we can see pisciculture. We have a pond in our premises where about 2,000 fishes of different species are reared. Students learn about fish farming practices, diseases and treatment and marketing. In every year, we get an average of profit of €300 from fish farming, which is really good. We can see some of the pictures of students releasing the fingerlings of the fishes into the pond, and there is we have a pig farm in our premises. About six currently at about 6 pigs are reared in SCTI farm, and in every year we get an average of profit of €700 from the piglets. Okay, sir.
It is about the civil engineering and the same topic, project-based learning of the engineering survey. We have conducted the 8 days survey camping to the closed survey camp. They worked fully 10 hours a day in the topographical survey, road survey and bridge survey to motivate them to work in the field as an entrepreneur, as a surveyor in the field. They learn to conduct the surveying equipment like total station, total light, level machine, and they can furthermore after the graduation they can establish their own civil engineering consultancy which can conduct survey work, design work for the road, bridge and other different civil engineering project. And they can also work with the experienced engineers after this project. There are some videos link for the activities we conducted for the entrepreneurship. I will show the small clips for the video. Similarly, there is another practical work videos. They are working in laboratory.
गाइड पढ्दै जाने, गाइड पढ्दै गाइड अनुसारले हामीले गर्छौँ।
Similarly, yeah, now we want to tell our experience as a perception of teachers and students. For the teachers, Ashwin sir will explain.
Thank you, sir. So, during these initiatives, there are many point of views we have encountered, um, which we'll gladly like to share. Some of them are student works in group to achieve the goals, which helps the students to learn cooperation and leadership. Student engagement in learning process made us more easy to provide them the concept of learning as they try to get themselves. PBL, project-based learning, made students and teachers more responsible in learning processes. We share knowledge and experiences to the students to make them know much better. We conduct many visits to the companies that connects the theoretical knowledge to the real world scenario. We motivate students through continuous learning. The project-based learning, active learning, learn and earn initiatives enhances student leadership, teamwork, and cooperations. Similarly, some of the challenges and obstacles that are faced during these initiatives, I like to share some of them. We find major obstacle as limitation of time. This is always a obstacle that has to be tackled. Time was limited to complete the project comparing to the theory and practical classes to align with board's curriculum as they have to take the exams in a short span of 6 months. Uh, we managed to complete the project by developing a schedule and dividing the task within the group. Similarly, next one is lack of resources. Over the time, the resources, majorly the funds, are limited to the ICT tools like smart boards, laptops, etc. Industrial visits, community camp visit, field visit, work visits, etc. We managed to overcome these obstacles by cooperating with the institute and other stakeholders. Uh, Similarly, one of the major third one, the technological barriers. Lack of smartphones and laptops among the students have created a barrier in learning. We're trying to solve the problem by utilizing the laptops provided by the institute. Similarly,
We have taken survey to get the feedback from the students, and there are also another summaries of the students feedback, we learn new things about poultry learning and animal husbandry. It is the reaction of the students. Similarly, they develop skills that are useful to grow more professionally. Similarly, the divided works and responsibility in active learning and project-based learning ensure the students participatory action. This is the perception of the students. Also, the PBL, group work, and real-world company visit induce their motivation for the entrepreneurship. Similarly, the peer learning, learning by doing, learning with earning, these activities are important aspects of the initiative. It is the feedback from the student, and we conducted a questionnaire survey. I want to show the result of the survey. In the students' responses,
this might take a while.
yeah, there is some net problem. We got 48 responses from the students, both from the civil engineering and animal science, both faculties. Faculties. There are some responses. We want to show the important responses, we have kind of faculty and gender. We have asked the question: do you think the PBL for poultry entrepreneurship, farm housing model, and survey, all the PBL we have conducted, in our institution are beneficial to enhance your entrepreneurship skill. We have asked and we have make the choices, uh, five for the best and one for the poor, and almost 62.5% students chooses number five. It means uh, they thought that it is beneficial to them for the entrepreneurship skill. Similarly, for the another question, uh, do you think the group-based activities conducted are enhancing independent skill? 100% student has said yes to the responses. And this one, which we already mentioned in the slides, that there are certain sectors for the entrepreneurship like financial management, time management, something, all, and they choose their percentage. And the most important aspect of the activities we have conducted in the institute to develop their interpersonal skill was teamwork from their survey. 19 among the total student, 19 student responses in the teamwork. And similarly, it was for others. And another one, do you think that the income generating project that we have conducted in the classes, especially for animal sciences, uh, the activities encourage you to be a confident entrepreneur? Then 64 students said yes, and 36% students said maybe. Yeah, it was the responses for that. Similarly, how clearly you understand the project objective? There is yes,
On
the
the
result,
scale of 1 to
result
5.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will share it with you, uh, so so that you can see the result in detail. Yes, similarly, we want to move for the next slides. Uh, we placed here some responses of the survey. We have asked, do you think that income generating activity that we already mentioned it, and another, did the project help you understand the basic of running an agriculture, engineering, business enterprises? They have asked the basic of the entrepreneurship. They have asked that, and 92.7% students said yes, and very few students said no, and some extent in the responses. In this way, I have conducted the students and taken the feedbacks from the students. Now we want to move on the last slide of today's presentation. It's about the repeating and improving the initiatives we have taken up to this up to the date. We want to repeat the initiatives like project-based learning, learning activities, group talks, and industrial visit. These activities, which were most effective and efficient to the students. So we want to repeat this initiative. And some activities which we want to improve and re-implement. These are active learning by using upgrading the ICT and LMS system, which we already have, but we want to upgrade these LMS and ICT tools and LMS system, and enlarging the scale of learn and earn program to increase the income of institute and as well as students. Similarly, we want to also upgrade the group work by increasing the frequency of the group work of the students. And the last point, we haven't conducted, but we are planning to conduct some activities, initiative which are entrepreneur talks, which we plan to conduct in this month, May, and advertising of entrepreneurship in classroom. We have planned to conduct in June, and similarly enterprise development workshops for both civil and animal science programs in June, and hackathon and other activities will also conduct if to increase the entrepreneurship skills of the students. In this way, our presentation finished for today. Thank you so much. If you have any comment, then you can comment in these slides in Google Classroom so that we can explain in more details. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a wrap.